to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Green Eggs and Ham Season 1 became launched in November 2019. Since then, it has left a massive mark on the audience. Fans are incredibly looking ahead to the second season of this humorous collection. Also, it has obtained a whole lot of appreciation from the critics. The factors of animation, humor, in addition to voice appearing used within inside the collection are top-notch. This is a Netflix unique tailored from the kids' ebook with inside the 1960s. The lively collection consists of a superb situation tune. It is superb and simply best to binge watch. Moreover, we have superb information for the massive fan following of this collection. Netflix has determined to provide you with a sequel of this extremely good collection, so maintain studying the object to unveil the contemporary information about Green Eggs and Ham Season 2. Green Eggs and Ham Season 2 firstly is in case you are but to observe the primary season of Green Eggs and Ham, then you need to binge it watch on Netflix. In 12 months of 2019, Netflix has renewed the collection. Season 2 is named Green Eggs and Ham The Second Serving. Initially, Season 1 had a complete of 13 episodes. The information has arisen that this time the second may have the most effective 10 episodes in total. Also, the launch date of this is extremely good collection has nevertheless now no longer arise. There isn't any short information concerning the manufacturers of the collection. The comedy collection is also being produced with the aid of using Warner Bros. We will virtually let you know as soon as you are aware of the show launch date, so you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Green Eggs and Ham, the manufacturers have shown that the equal voice artists from Season 1 are coming back for Season 2. Adam Devine will lend his voice to Sam I Am, who loves inexperienced eggs and ham. Michael Douglas voiced Guy Am I, a failed inventor who hates inexperienced eggs and ham. The narrator is voiced with the aid of using Keegan-Michael Kay. Havrik Zace Nurse is voiced with the aid of using Eddie Izzard. Jeffrey Wright has lent his voice as McWinkle, the severe bad guys member. Glance is voiced with the aid of using Jillian Bell. Diane Keaton has voiced Michelle. The Goat is voiced with the aid of using John Turturro. Michelle's daughter E.B. is voiced with the aid of using Ilna Glazer. Crony 1 is voiced with the aid of using David Kay. Lastly, Big Man the Boss is voiced with the aid of using Billy Eichner. However, there are probably a few new characters protected within inside the second season, but not anything is showed as of now. Green Eggs and Ham, the Plot-Tale collection revolves around Sam, the rescuer of an extraordinary chikarafe from the zoo. As Sam wishes Chikarafe to go back to his herbal habitat, mistakenly his briefcase receives swapped with the guy, the failed inventor. Season's 1 ultimate episode confirmed the brief trouble among Sam and Guy. Also, they face a whole lot of miscommunication than troubles ahead. Season 2 will now attend to the efforts that they could place to type out all of the troubles among them. It could be an exciting season ahead. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please subscribe to our channel www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.